Hi guys, welcome back. In this series of videos of Databricks, right? Today's topic is about Databricks transformation. So what is Databricks transformation? We are going to discuss how it will be unleash the power for your data. Okay. So Databricks is a unified analytic cloud platform. Offers powerful tool to transform raw data into valuable insights. So these transformations are backbone of any data processing pipeline, and Databricks excel in handling this crucial step. Okay, guys, already Databricks is a unified analytic platform, and it offers lots of transformation. And with help of this transformation, you can get the valuable data inside. Okay, suppose you don't want to load unwanted data, you want to load only proper data, and you want to apply some transformations like join, select, filter, or you want to apply, certain level of filtering, cleansing, right? So you can do with help of Databricks transformation case. So Databricks transformation involve convert raw data into suitable format for analysis. Yes, it is converting raw data into your suitable format for analysis. This includes cleaning, structuring, and enriching data to extract meaningful information. So this is exactly about what is data transformation. Okay, how Databricks simplify transformations. So when it comes to delta live table, whenever the table got created, right? Table will be created. So Databricks, we call it as a delta live table, build and manage reliable data pipeline with ease, and DLT automates many routine tasks, ensuring data quality and consistency. So whenever you created delta live table, so it helps you, a reliable data pipeline. You can automate with routine tasks, and ensuring data quality and consistency will be there in the DLT tables. Okay, so you want to leverage that SQL syntax with help of Spark SQL. You can write some complex transformation, structured and semi-structured data also. Python and Scale API. For example, who wants to preferring for the coding, right? Suppose you are expertise in the Python level, so you can utilize the Python and Scala API. So Databricks provides some flexible API to customization your transformations also. And there are inbuilt functions also there, rich library function for common transformation like aggregation, filtering, and join. So these are the way we can utilize the Databricks. Simplifies the simplified transformation for your database. Now, how the real world use cases. For example, if you take it as you want to analyze the customer data, right? So Database will give transformation will help you transform customer data to identify segment, predict churns, and personalized marketing campaigns. Like right now, nowadays, everyone is, marketing campaigns, how it is happening back in, there are lots of analysis happening, guys, based on the customers, right? And they want to select the niche product and they want to do some analytic on that one. So on the particular customer, so they can go ahead with help of some transformation based on the data, whatever they get, they can do analysis on the reporting side. For example, if the Databricks use cases for the fraud detection, detect anomalies in financial transactions by transforming data into feature for machine learning models. Yes, suppose you want to create or detect some financial transaction, but data can be transformed into for feature learning machine learning models. Okay, with help of machine learning model, they can detect some frauds, how the transaction was happened, when it was happened, right? With help of this machine learning model, we can get all these things. Supply chain optimization, optimal logistic by transforming data insight about inventory level, demand forecast, and transportation routes. So with help of, right now it is helping for ERP side also. Supply chain optimization means, for example, whenever you want to get the insight information in inventory level, when a demand is forecasting, for example, the demand will be happen on particular seasons, right? So they want to analyze those supply chain, how we can transform these, transport the products to certain routes, right? And it has to be reached to the particular customer side. So they can get all the insight information with help of Databricks, some transformation use cases, guys. Okay. Key benefits of Databricks transformation. Accelerated time to insight, streaming of data preparation and analysis. We can utilize this transformation for streaming data purpose, improve data quality, ensure the data accuracy and consistency, and scale. You want to handle large data with ease, right? We have some scalability options also. Collaboration, enable to team work together efficiently. So this is the major about how the Databricks useful for the transformation of your database. Okay. So this is about next videos. We are going to discuss about the transformations in the Databricks. Thank you.